Friends, on this video right I'm going to show you how you can remove your face lock on your mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, and from here you can see there is many options in the settings, but you can search on the search bar face unlock. And after that you can, or another method, okay, if you search on the search setting, then it will be a shortcut, and if you don't know, then you can just scroll down, and here you can see password and biometric options. So friends, you have to tap on this password and biometrics. When you tap on password and biometrics, from here you can see face recognition. Here's the face recognition, and if you want to remove your face recognition, then just tap on face recognition. After that, here draw your password, then here you can see delete facial data. Just click on delete facial data, and here it is deleting this facial data will be disabled all facial recognition features. So click on delete. Then when you click on delete, your face lock screen, your face lock has been deleted successfully. You can delete easily like this, okay, by just following this method. And if you want to remove your screen lock, then you just click on the back button, and from here you can see password and biometrics, the same thing, okay. Here you can see disable lock screen password. Just tap on disable lock screen password, and it says device protection features will not be available without your pattern. So just click on OK, and you throw your password, then your lock screen password will also be removed. So this is how you can remove your lock screen password. So friends, if you loved the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.